Hi guys, Arce here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize my drawer. Finally, looks neat inside, and I put my stuff in one place so that I can find them easily. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. This is my makeup drawer. Well, it's not all makeup, guys, but I'm going to show you because I was trying to organize and cleaning this side. So up here, I put the paper flowers up there because I don't have anything this background, so I only have that few picture of us, me and my daughter. I don't have any in here. It's just only of this kind like fussy thingy, and I don't have anything yet to put in here, and I don't have any idea what kind of I decorate of this. And there's also, I have also thinking to get a picture frame on that wall because it's been empty like that. Yeah, so let's go to this door. First one, the top door, I have all my stickers, all about my planner stickers. I have here like spring stuff, but anyway, I just organize it, but it's not like any different season. And then I have my reading glasses that I don't often use. And then let's move on to the second door, and this will be all my makeup. I have here a palette, more at the back, and then the single ones, and some in here too, and more eyeshadow. And this side, to my left side, brushes, and this one is big brushes, and a small one. The middle are eyeliner, brows, then here highlight, blush, bronzer, concealer, and foundation, and powder foundation. Yeah, that's all I have in my second door. Then let's go move on to the third one, and this is the last one. So to the left side, I have my face mask, and then eye mask, and nose strips here. Then I have here lashes, and lashes, curling lashes. Then I have here a sponge. I have contact. Then I have a small or travel size cleanser. Then I have this cold and allergy relief shower balm, then hand sanitizer. Then I have more here, a sponge that I haven't opened or used yet. I have different shade of lipstick on this two container. Then I have this cotton pads for cleansing. Then I have a deodorant for the hair, and more face masks, and more face masks. And then this is sunblock, and setting spray, lotion. So it's all about that miscellaneous. So to this side, guys, I have this my rosary that I put in one place. And then this small container, I have a pen, I have a washi tape here, a lot of washi tape, but they are small like this. Then I have more like sticker here and washi tape that I need to use pretty soon. And then I have this pads for exercise, and then more stuff for the exercise. Then to this right side, I put usually my iPad here and my phone, and then my headphone. Then the below, I have the nail polish to film, but oh my gosh, my teenager. When you have a teenager, guys, is acting like 2 years old.
No, that's you. Hello, guys. Should I make a YouTube video? I mean, YouTube channel.
Let's say comment below if you want.
Comment below and like. And subscribe. If we get to 20 likes, then I will.
They will.
Then 100 likes. Bye.